Do you ever notice how the most memorable brands always look and sound the same everywhere? That's not an accident. They have clear guidelines for everything: logo use, colors, fonts, even the personality behind their words. This consistency isn't about being boring. It shows professionalism and makes your brand easier to remember. Alongside a strong online presence, a solid website, active social media, and regular content updates, these habits create long-term trust with your audience. But don't stop there. Actively invite feedback and conversations with your customers. Respond to what they say and be open to change when trends shift. The best brands always pay attention, analyze what's working, and try new things to stay sharp. The journey of building your brand never really ends, but if you focus on showing up the same way, everywhere, and genuinely listen to your audience, you'll turn your daily effort into lasting impact. Please like and subscribe to yourbrandsite.com. Thanks for watching.